Why are we still drinking those cocktails full with sugar syrup, simple syrup, rich syrups, maple syrup, whatever syrups? I'm never gonna say that cocktails are healthy, but I think they can be much healthier, much more natural. It just takes effort. Lieve allemaal, Queridos, Toditos. It has been quite a while, but we're back. For anyone who never saw me before, who has no idea who I am, my name is Daniel Altanablom, and this is Such, your place to be for everything regarding the beautiful world of cocktails, gastronomy, hospitality, all the good stuff, all the guilty pleasures. Here you are at the right direction. You might know and see like things are changing here. Where are all the bottles? Where is everything? What is all this? At the moment of filming this video, I am just wrapping up everything, but that doesn't stop me from making this video. I wanted to get back with a bang. Today we are going to make something really special, very special. I quickly want to discuss a few things with you. The thing is that over the past months I did make videos. I've made cocktail videos already in the old setting. I've made just some regular cocktails, some beautiful, very special cocktails as well. And I really focused more and more on health, on keto lifestyle, on fasting, on all this healthy stuff. That means that I cut literally all the sugars out of my nutrition. I cut all these bad things out of my diet. I already stopped a long time with consuming prefabricated goods and produce from supermarkets. And the thing is that I felt like, if that's my diet, why is it not coming back into the cocktails? Why are we still drinking those cocktails full with sugar syrup, simple syrup, rich syrups, maple syrup, whatever syrups? It just didn't feel right. So I thought that is needing to change. So what will happen? What you will see, well, I'm drinking my glass of water because I think it's very important also to show responsibility in front of the camera. I mean, you can drink cocktails, it's beautiful, good stuff, but always stay hydrated with water. So I've made several cocktail videos already, just more the regular style cocktail recipes. I will make a few more cocktails during this setting. I think 5 or 6 more videos I made here. And then I really start diving into this newer way, this newer process of thoughts, train of thoughts and ideas I have about cocktails. I'm never gonna say that cocktails are healthy, but I think they can be much healthier, much more natural. It just takes effort. And this might be one of the best, maybe the best cocktail I ever made myself. I love it, I enjoy it. It has quite some preparation in it. And then the actual preparation is really easy. Boom! Here we have a beautiful distillate, not a liqueur, a distillate. You're using a beautiful, almost extinct Mexican drink, only natural produce. This is as natural as possible. Making something yummy, making something good, making something delicious is matter of love, matter of passion. This is lovely, this is really good stuff. And actually this cocktail is so yummy that I even stopped my fast, especially to make this video. The fermentation is eating the sugars. Look at this, because this is quite amazing. Now we are going to get our cologne. It's alive. It's alive and it tastes good. Always know your ingredients. From inside, they basically have the same color as from the outside. You can let your cologne ferment for 2 or 3 days. That's up to you. It's balanced. It is full of flavor.